Hi guys, we are back with another video and today we'll be showing you the most trickiest cake that is called the cassatella cake. So if you want to know how it is made, then keep on watching.
So for this recipe you'll need 13 egg whites, 8 egg yolks, half cup cream cheese, 1/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 7 tablespoon butter, 1 cup sugar, half cup milk.
Now we'll take a saucepan and add butter, cream cheese and milk in it. Whisk this mixture until it's combined and then let it cool for 5 minutes. Now add the mixture in the egg yolks.
So now we'll add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. We'll use this sifter. If you want to know where we got this from, we'll leave the link down below. Do check it out. So now let's put in the flour. Oh my god. So now we'll add the corn flour. Let's start the whisking game. Go slow. So now we'll whisk our egg whites. So now we'll add the sugar and whisk it again. It was foaming too much, so we'll transfer.
So this is the consistency that we are looking for.
So now gradually we'll incorporate the egg white mixture to the egg yolk mixture. Be very light-handed and slow. At starting it will appear a little lumpy, but then gradually it will blend in. So we've greased the pan with butter. Now we'll put the parchment paper. Now we'll pour in the batter into the prepared mold.
Now take a larger mold and then place parchment sheet over it and place the prepared batter mold in it.
And then add hot boiling water. So we'll keep the batter in the oven very light-handedly. So the temperature is 160 degrees for 25 minutes and then we have to shift to 140 degrees for 55 minutes. And the cake is out of the oven. Looks pretty. So let it cool for like 5 minutes and then remove it from the mold. So it's cooled down. We'll flip the cake on this. It came out beautifully, as you can see. Let's peel the parchment paper.
It's so hot, as you can see the steam is coming out.
So when it's hot, just sprinkle some icing sugar on it. So let's cut it and see it glides smoothly. Oh god.
Oops.
Keep it here.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any other video suggestions, do let us know in the comments down below. Bye.